Briggs and Stratton 17.5 horsepower. Getting fuel and oil.
Hi, my name is will be assisting you. Normally the only reason that you would have this happen is if the float valve in the carburetor is not sealing properly. I would suggest a carburetor cleaning and rebuild, which will solve your issue. You could also take the less expensive way out and just install a fuel shutoff valve in the fuel line and shut it off any time that you are not using the machine. Thank you. It has been a pleasure to assist you. Please take a moment to rate your experience.
I have a brand new Briggs carburetor that I installed today. I can change the oil and filter, start the unit, and it runs like new for about 10 minutes, then it seems to get a slight mist followed by a puff of white smoke, then a cloud of smoke as the oil is diluted by the gasoline. It did this before and after the new carburetor.
Are you certain that it is fuel getting into the oil and not a head gasket blown? After running the machine with the new carburetor on it and having this issue, is the crankcase overfilled?
Oil level goes from the full mark to probably an inch above the full mark in 10 minutes, and is thin and smells like gasoline. I did a leak down test with an AutoZone tester, and it had air coming out of the carburetor but still tested in the low leak down range.
Okay, you either received a faulty carburetor that the float valve is still not sealing in, or you have a bad fuel pump on the engine if equipped. Give me a moment to check your engine information. Can you provide the part number of the new carburetor that you received?
I never even thought about the fuel pump. It has the Kohler-style pulse pump like my zero-turn has. I'm sure that's the issue. I got the carb from our local dealer by the model type and code of the engine.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.